How are you doing? I'm out here in a very quiet and peaceful environment. Actually, this place here is called Forest Hill. You can hear beautiful sounds of the birds in the background. How are you guys doing? Big up on yourselves wherever you are. Welcome to TOO Deep Promotions. How are you doing? Yeah, I'd like to welcome every one of you to this live here. If you're here for the first time, please make sure that you are subscribed and also like the video so that it gets to reach very many people. Otherwise, I'm at this beautiful place here. It's called Forest Hill. The place is so nice, beautiful flowers. Let me switch the camera so that you can see how beautiful the place is. I like to come and chill here. Beautiful place, isn't it? Yeah, I want to welcome you all to my live, and thank you so much for always supporting. Big up on yourself. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa, and on this channel here, I always bring you content from northern Uganda to the rest of the world. Yeah, any activity happening here, especially on the entertainment scene, I make sure that I keep you updated. So if you love this beautiful place I'm in, it's called Forest Hill Manor. Yeah, make sure you give this live a thumbs up. And if you're here for the first time, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss anything that I put up. Otherwise, you see how beautiful the place is. Very quiet and peaceful place. Very, very quiet and peaceful. It's called Forest Hill. Geoffrey, all the way from Apache or Dongtor. Big up on yourself. Chalen Gardens. How is Chalen Gardens right now? I'll be coming to visit you there either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So expect me at Chalen anytime. So how are you guys doing? How is the evening taking you wherever you are? My name is Tony Areo, also known as Mr. Twa, for those of you who don't know. And I'd like to welcome you to TOO Deep Promotions YouTube channel. On this channel, we keep you updated with the latest on entertainment and everything happening around northern Uganda. Yeah, for those of you who are in Gulu City, make sure you visit Chalain Gardens. Chalain Gardens is located along Gulu Kampala Highway at Korogankal, opposite the Cancer Institute. Yeah, they have the best accommodation in the city. Yeah, and they have a very wide and spacious garden for all kinds of events and functions. Make sure you visit them for the great services that they offer. They have a very nice restaurant and a bar as well. So if you want to chill and have a good time, make sure that you pay a visit to Chalain Gardens. Otherwise, I can see a message here from Geoffrey Obwana. Engineer Obwana is catching me live all the way from Kampala. Yeah, big up on yourself, Obwana, and thank you so much for always supporting Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. How is Kampala? How is everything there today? I hope everything is good. Yeah, please make sure you like the video and leave down a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Right now, I'm in Gulu City, and I'm at this place called Forest Hill in senior quarters. Very beautiful, quiet place. Plenty of trees and a lot of birds singing in the background. Just look at this beautiful place. Very quiet and peaceful. You see? Yeah, please leave down a comment. Let me know where you're watching this live from. So, those of you who attended the battle, the music battle between Pato Loverboy and Eddie Weezy over the weekend, who do you think won? Who performed better than the other? This is for those ones who attended the event over the weekend. And by the way, the battle is still not yet over. They are moving to Kitgum on the 14th of September 2024. They will be at Boma Hotel in Kitgum. So to everyone who is in Kitgum and is watching my live right now, make sure that you don't miss out on the battle between Pato Loverboy and Eddie Weezy, which will be taking place at Boma Hotel. Entrance is only 10,000 early bird, then 15,000 at the gate. Make sure that you are there. Yeah, if you love my background, if you love this beautiful place, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video. Geoffrey Obwana, you want to hear my analysis on the battle? Well, I cannot point out who exactly won, but I can tell you a few things. That is, one, both artists put up very, very massive performances. Eddie Weezy stole the show when it comes to his intro, how he entered stage, and you know how he was working the crowd. He really got them so excited, and there was so much vibe in the atmosphere for Eddie Weezy was, you know. But if you look at the live band aspect, Pato Loverboy's performance on live band was very, very massive. Yeah, Pato Loverboy put up a very massive live band performance. Well, when it comes to the vibe, I think Eddie Weezy took it because he had very many of his fans there. So talking about the vibe, I think he pulled up serious vibes. Anyway, that is what I can say. I cannot go beyond that. And personally, I think both of them did well. Then Augustine Odon is saying Eddie Weezy Yeah. Big up on yourself, Augustine Odon. Where are you watching from, by the way? Please leave down a comment and let me know where you're watching from. So the battle moves to Kitgum. Battle is moving to Kitgum. Yeah, who do you think is going to win between Pato Loverboy and Eddie Weezy? Who do you think is going to win this time? Yeah, the date is 14th of September 2024, and it's going to be happening at Boma Hotel. Abol Alan, bro, I like the way you are talking, cause both are the best, but Eddie Weezy is a bit different. And you're watching from Kampala. Big up on yourself, Abola Alan. Yeah, thank you so much for always being on my channel. I appreciate. Yeah, so these artists are all good. They're all good. Actually, this battle has opened doors for very, very many big things. Martin Ojok is saying, Pato Loverboy, one. Martin Ojok, were you actually in, or you watched the live stream? Kindly let me know if you were actually in and witnessed everything. But the battle is not yet over. It's moving to Kitgum. So Boma Hotel will be on fire on the 14th of September 2024, where Pato Loverboy and Eddie Weezy will be battling again. This time around, the battle is at Eddie Weezy's hometown. So I expect massive support from Kitgum for Eddie Weezy. Yeah, if you've just joined this live, please make sure you like the video and leave down your comment. Tell me where you're watching from so that I can send big shots out to you. Talking about concerts, Pretty B, our sister Pretty B, is going to be having a concert also on the 14th of September 2024, and it's going to be happening at the Covenant in Gulu. Yeah, on that day, expect massive performances from very many artists. Very many artists will be coming to support Pretty B, MCs and DJs. It's going to be so massive. Entrance is only 7,000, and then VIP will be 30,000. A table of 5 people will be going for 250. So if you're watching this video of mine right now and you're in Gulu City, or you're planning to come to Gulu City, please make sure that you support Pretty B during her concert. Please make sure that you be there. Otherwise, leave down comments. Tell me where you're watching from. I want to know where you're watching this live from right about now. Martin Ojok, you haven't gotten back to me to confirm if you are actually in person. So let me wish Geoffrey Odonto, all the way from Challenge Garden, a very wonderful evening. Geoffrey Obwana, Engineer Obwana, all the way from Kampala, big up on yourself. Augustine Odon, big up on yourself. And then Abola Alan, yeah, big up on yourself. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me on this channel here. Yeah. Please make sure you like the video if you've just joined. And if you're also new on this channel, please make sure that you subscribe. Yeah. Atia beru memo then. I get one for the road. Are you a merry? Check out this place. It's in senior quarters. It's a hangout. It's called Forest Hill. See how it's beautiful. Evergreen, quiet, peaceful. You hear the sounds of the birds. You're seeing how nice the place is. Yeah, so if you're in Gulu, you can also pass by here and have a great time. Yeah, Northern Uganda to the world, Geoffrey Bona. Our artists are really doing very well musically. They have like put us on the map. Yeah. Bro, tinining. No, be. I'm just doing a live broadcast, yeah, on my YouTube channel. Catching up with my followers. Then I look down and I have 98 people live.
This is how we make money, bro.
We charge.
We need to make money while people are working hard. We make money while we're relaxing, chilling. That's the level I want to reach.
You'll reach there, don't worry.
I say that if you want to get rich, don't work hard.
Work smart.
No, use other people to make for you the money while you rest at home. But you always don't like yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, just from the field going back home now.
I'm going to be here, maybe a chela Rio more, then I go back home.
Okay. So how much is this?
This router here, this router, these guys of Airtel, actually you pay for the speed. 130 per month.
No, it's fast.
Very fast.
No, unlimited.
Unlimited.
Oh,
1 month.
Jesus. So what I told me that time, it's better to pay for this than to pay for DSTV. Okay.
Everything on a TV, everything.
You're the guys who are beaten the matrix. You don't play with the matrix anymore. You are leaving DSTV to be out of service.
Man, things have gone digital at the moment.
Because this one network per year.
A network
put it there, you put somewhere, you're watching everything.
It's very fast.
Anything you want to watch, you watch online.
I feel in any mode, greet the family.
Okay, man.
All right. Okay. Roop, unlimited roop. Roop tea unlimited. Roop tea unlimited. Digna ti challenge Kenya bro. Abena ayewia. By the way, there's a comedy show which is coming to Gulu City. Very big comedy show. We're going to be having an international comedian by the name of Sabinos. Yeah, that funny Nigerian comedian is going to be in Gulu City. That is in October the 5th. October the 5th, expect Sabinos in Gulu City. By the way, there's something, MC Cash is really working so hard. MC Cash is working so hard. If you look at the comedy scene, he has been bringing for us international comedians from Nigeria and Kenya, other parts of Africa, even Zambia. Now, it's the same MC Cash who is planning to start bringing international artists to Northern Uganda. This December, expect a very big artist in Africa to come and perform in Gulu City. MC Cash, Bukelu. Tuanla wewe ma date permit tuchunye, but Jamie Wengnong confirming paperwork has been done, lawyers Ukerchingi, contract has been signed. That artist is going to be coming to Gulu City. I'm not going to mention the name now, but Winyangimo, Rupmaditi Kabino. So big up on yourself, MC Cash, Wakabi. Thank you so much for what you're doing for this industry. You're really doing a lot for Northern Uganda industry. I'm calling upon everyone out there to come and support MC Cash because he's the one bringing Sabinos on the 5th of October at Acholi Inn. Early bird tickets are already on sale. Get your September ticket at 30,000. At the gate, you'll be paying 50,000. Then VIP will be going for 150,000. Then tables, we have silver, we have gold, we have platinum. Silver will be going for 500,000. Gold will be going for 1 million. Then platinum will be going for 1.5 million. So make sure you be there. Geoffrey Buona, Mr. Twa would love to meet up with you for business at your convenient time. It's okay, brother. I hope you have my number. Make sure you reach out. If you don't have my number, then this is it, 0777 004679. I'm going to repeat, 0777 004679. Reach out and then we have the business concluded. Then Ali, Innocent, Northern Uganda music to the world, big up. We are so proud of you. Thank you so much, Innocent Ali. Yeah, these words of encouragement keep me going strong each and every day. Then Geoffrey Bona mentioned, bro, we need to know that big artist. Omera, tuanda wema did it mama, danma did ya, kongde ye. Pamete are breaking the news. Mafut pia wegi neo breaking. We are wegi neko breaking the news. Kadong anda mete. But genabi wachi tieni contract donki signing or wang. Mone gina dong tie. Yeah. You want to guess? Ketem kong guessing kong. Ketem guessing kong. Geoffrey. Try and guess, we see if you can get. So, let us support MC Cash. Let us be there for the comedy show, which will feature Nigeria's Sabinos. Yeah. The number is 0777004679. I repeat, the number is 0777004679. I hope you've got it right. So I was saying, let us come through and support MC Cash or Waka B on the 5th of October 2024. He's going to be bringing Nigerian comedian Sabinos to Gulu City, and it's going to be happening at Acholi Inn Gardens. Entrance is going to be entrance early bird is 30,000. At the gate is 50,000. VIP tickets will be going for 150,000. Then a table of 5 people. We have silver, we have gold, and then we have platinum. So silver will be going for 500,000. Gold will be going for 1 million. Then platinum will be going for 1.5 million. Make sure that you be there. Then this December, expect a very big international artist performing in Gulu City. Yeah, expect a big international artist performing in Gulu City. Yeah, the artist is from East Africa. The artist coming is from East Africa. You try and guess, we see. try and guess. We see if you can get it right, but I'm not going to mention. If your answer is wrong, I'll say it's wrong. If it's right, I will not say anything. The artist is from East Africa, but we're also going to be having Nigerian artists. A Nigerian artist coming in January next year. So our end of year is going to be so blessed with international artists. For those of you who are on this channel for the first time, please make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you are subscribed and kindly like the video so that it gets to reach very many people out there. Make sure you like the video so that it reaches very many people out there. If you look at our entertainment scene now, a lot of things have changed. Our artists are doing things to the next level. The sound of their music has improved, and their branding and packaging has also improved. If you look at where our artists are right now and you compare to how they had been back in the days, there's a very, very big change and difference. Look at this experience of the battle. Look at how Pato Loverboy and Eddie Wizzy were like dressed so well. Look at the stage, the lighting they brought. Everything was just so perfect. So where the industry is going, if I'm to predict, we are going to the next international level. Actually, very soon we shall start working with big artists within Africa or outside Africa. The next thing I'm seeing. So Geoffrey Buana is saying, been hearing of rumors involving Pato Loverboy's collaboration with Harmonize. This is gonna be big for Northern Uganda music industry. Tell us about this. Well, I also heard about the same rumors of Pato Loverboy and Harmonize doing a collaboration. But Pato Loverboy came out and cleared the air that, actually cleared the air some months back, that he is still working on it and it is not yet confirmed. So the moment he confirms, I will make sure that I keep you guys updated. But for now, we cannot be basing on rumors and speculation. But he said they are working out something. So we shall leave it to that. If there's any other thing you want to ask, please ask. So I'm at this beautiful place. It's called Forest Hill. You see how nice this place is. You can come and chill here with your girlfriend, with your friends, your family, and just have a good time. Blending with nature. You listen to beautiful sounds of the birds. See how this place is. I like to chill here. Harmonize coming to Gulu. Maybe. Có một cô nè này còn. Có một cô nè này. But thank you for guessing. Thank you for guessing. So, Obwana, when are you coming to Gulu City, by the way? If you been in Gula, where the Kong or Bok Lock, Kombiacha Ramoni, my watch you made Kong one. When will you be coming to Gulu City, Obwana? Engineer, Dynamo did. If you're loving the natural background here, give this video a thumbs up. Tomorrow I'll be at Chalen Gardens, Koro, opposite the Cancer Institute. I want to show you around the place so that you get to see how beautiful it is. It's a very, very nice place. They have very good accommodation, very good, wide and spacious garden for any kind of event. Any kind of event can be done there at Chalen Gardens. And their restaurant also has the best meals. So tomorrow I'll be also showing you a different place. Yeah, at Into Deep Promotions, we always push for content from northern Uganda to the rest of the world. Get to know your celebrities, what is happening around them, a lot of things. Look at this beautiful place. Very nice to chill, quiet and peaceful. You can just pass by here with your girlfriend, with your friends, and have a good time. If you're loving the nature, give this video a thumbs up. The beautiful nature. I like to bond with nature a lot. It's one of my favorite hobbies. So, to everyone who has been engaging with me on this live, like Geoffrey Odongtor from Chalen Gardens, yeah, wishing you a wonderful evening. And then Engineer Geoffrey Obwana was catching me live from Kampala. I also want to wish you a wonderful evening wherever you are. Augustine Odongtor, big up on yourself. Abola Alan, big up on yourself. These are fans of Eddie Wizzy. Abola Alan and Augustine Odongtor. These are fans of Eddie Wizzy. Big up on yourself. And then who else has been on this live? Ali, Innocent. Yeah. Wishing you guys all a wonderful time wherever you are. And to everyone who is watching me outside of Uganda, I also want to say big up on yourself. Then Dopamine, thank you for the program. All the way, actually it's called Roy, but his YouTube channel is appearing as the Dopamine. Roy, thank you so much for being part of this live all the way from Kampala, and he's a very big fan of Eddie Wizzy. Eddie Wizzy put up a very massive performance over the weekend at Acholi Inn, and he's going to be facing Pato Lafaboy again at Boma Hotel in Kitgum. So it's going to be very massive. Everyone who is in Kitgum, people in Kitgum, make sure you come through and support your favorite artist, be it Pato Loverboy or Eddie Wizzy. You're welcome, Roy. I appreciate. Big up on yourself. Yeah, make sure you like the video so that it also gets to reach very many people out there. By the way, this month has been a very blessed month for me because my YouTube channel has grown very fast and a lot of positive things have been coming to me. To everyone who just joined and followed me on YouTube within a period of 2 weeks, I want to say big up on yourself and thank you so much. And to everyone who is a subscriber of this channel of mine, I want to say I love you guys so much because you guys are the ones giving me the motivation and the strength to do bigger things each and every day. I appreciate, yeah, I strongly appreciate the love and support that you guys show. Can you imagine, in a period of 2 weeks, I got 9,000 subscribers. I had like 9.8 thousand subscribers, but right now I'm having 18.5, and that one means a lot to me. Like, it means a lot. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who has newly joined my channel. And for those of you who are watching this video for the first time and you're not subscribed, just hit on the subscribe button and let us grow and get to 20K, more than that. Maybe by the time I reach 100K, YouTube gets to reward us with a silver plaque. Onegu Steven, how are you? I cannot view your message. I don't know why, but big up on yourself and thank you so much for joining the live. Where are you watching from, Onegu Steven? Please let me know where you're watching from. Right now, me, I'm here at Forest Hill, Senior Quarters, Gulu. Look at the place. This is Forest Hill. It's a very quiet and peaceful place. I always love it here. Quiet and peaceful. To all my followers who are not within Uganda, I also want to say big up on yourselves. And thank you for supporting Into Deep Promotions. If you go to our shorts, you'll get a lot of dance videos of beautiful Acholi ladies and women showcasing our cultural dances. There are very many of them on our shorts. Then if you go to the main content that we post, you'll get interviews mostly. Yeah, you'll get interviews mostly. So Skynet Entertainment, big up. Easy should get ready for a battle with Skynet Entertainment, Mr. Dancer and Blemshine. Lion versus Acholi. Date to be announced soon. Mr. Dancer and Blemshine, big up on yourself. You guys have a very big tune called Cow Gem. Cow Gem is my favorite. Yeah, and for those of you who are not subscribed to the Skynet Entertainment channel, please make sure you subscribe and support them. Yeah, those are serious musicians there. So Onegu saying thank you for the program. I'm watching you live from Juba. Yeah. Big up, big up, big up. Thank you so much. All the way from Juba City. How is everything going there, my brother Onegu Steven? Hey, hard work pays, bro. You have been keeping us updated day and night. Yeah, hard work truly pays. I even never expected that the channel would grow very fast within this short period of time. But this is where we are now. The channel is big and I'm happy. Yeah, we have a lot of good things to share with you. We shall always be updating you with what is happening here in northern Uganda. So always be on the channel. A lot of things will be coming. Anything on the entertainment scene and any other thing that is trending around, we shall always make sure that we update you. So thank you so much for loving the professionalism. Thank you so much. We keep on learning every day. I keep on learning each and every day, and I hope to even do better than what I'm doing now. And if there are also places where I am messing up and I'm not doing the right thing, you are my fans, you are my followers, you advise accordingly. Yeah, I'm a human being, I'm not a machine, I don't know everything. So where there's a mess, you can always point it out so that we correct, so that what we bring out on this channel is like very good content for the people out there. Otherwise, me, I appreciate the love that you guys show always. Yeah, so those of you who are just joining the live, we have like around 77 people on the live. Please make sure that you like the video. Yeah, make sure you like the video so that it also gets to reach very many people. And if you're also new to the channel, please make sure that you are subscribed so that you always get updated with our content. Fans of Pretty B, where are you? All fans of Pretty B. Do we have fans of Pretty B watching this live right now? I have some good news for you. Pretty B is having a concert on the 14th of September 2024, this weekend actually. And the concert is called Ipe Serious Concert. Yeah, the concert has been named basing on her song called Ipe Serious. Ipe Serious, if you are to translate it from Acholi to English, it means you are not serious. So the concert will be happening at the Covenant in Gulu City. Entrance is going to be 7,000. Then VIP will be 30,000. A table of 5 will be going for 250,000. Yeah, Geoffrey Bona has given us a tip here to like, double tap the screen to like. Thank you so much. So everyone who is on the live, please make sure you double tap on the screen to like this video here. Yeah, just double tap on the screen to like the video. Otherwise, my evening is just so cool. I'm enjoying this beautiful environment here. Nature, bonding with nature. I'm here bonding with nature. Onegu, you are very happy for Eddie Wizzy winning. Pato, big up to Eddie Wizzy. We are waiting for Eddie Wizzy on the 21st. 21st of September 2024, Juba, Freedom Hall. Okay, that is very nice to hear. Eddie is live in Juba, Freedom Hall, 21st September 2024. Wow, that is so nice. That is so nice. And thank you for supporting our artist, by the way. Big up on yourself. I'm told Jenny Priska is also going to be at Juba there. People from South Sudan support Northern Uganda music a lot. They have really supported music from Northern Uganda a lot. Big up to everyone who is watching this live from South Sudan. Make sure you double tap on the screen to like this video. You can as well tell me what is happening around you there. What is good? How is your evening? How is your evening taking you? Double tap on the screen. Let's get this video to a very big audience. So this beautiful place here is called Forest Hill. Whenever you come to Gulu, make sure you visit Forest Hill. It's located in senior quarters, former Anyadwe. If you know where Anyadwe Girls School used to be, yeah, this is the place. This is the place. I'm here just having one for the road. Achele pete mungi mo. Ayue kiwia. Tomorrow I'll be at Chalen Gardens. I'll be at Chalen Gardens tomorrow. I'll also be showing you how nice the place is. Chalen Gardens is along Gulu Kampala Highway at Korogankal, opposite the Cancer Institute. They have very, very good accommodation there. Their rooms are so nice, self-contained cottages. Yeah, and they have a very wide and spacious garden for any kind of event. Very, very big, wide and spacious garden. Their bar is always fully stocked with all kinds of drinks, soft and hard, all available there. Then they also have a restaurant with all your favorite meals available. So tomorrow I'll be at Chalen Gardens. I'll also show you how beautiful the place is. Yeah. Komake Geoffrey Isaac, enjoy yourself. Yeah, big up on yourself. Top 5 artists with the highest booking in Northern Uganda, just in case you have statistics. Well, the top 5 artists with the highest bookings in Northern Uganda. Number 1, we have Easy, the lyrical Gino. Then we have Okeng Bontown. Okeng has moved a lot in Northern Uganda here and other parts of Uganda. He's always very busy over the weekends. Then we have Eddie Wizzy. We have Pato Loverboy. We have Migzola. These ones are like the ones trending a lot these days. You've limited me to only 5, but I think let me also add Man CJ of Appeal. Man CJ, popularly known for the song called Appeal, he's also having a lot of bookings. He's moving around, doing a lot of shows. Man CJ is having a song called Lebao. It is still brand new. Lebao from Man CJ is out. Leba is a dancehall song. He shot the video some few days ago, and the video will be released very soon. By the way, talking about good music, our musicians have really worked so hard and released some serious songs within a period of a month from now. We have a song from Laxi Mover featuring Latinum. It's called Jennifer. It's also highly trending. Then we have a song from Mixola called Akele, which is also highly trending. Then we have Eddie Weezy. Eddie Weezy's latest song is called what? For You by Eddie Weezy, also highly trending. Then Royal Rambo, Patolava Boy, that's also another one which is trending highly. Who else released a serious song? There are very many artists that have released songs. In case I don't mention your favorite artist, just know that it has just skipped my mind. But the ones I've read for you are big tunes that have been released within a period of 1 month, and they are highly, highly trending songs. Yeah, so Geoffrey Bona, I hope I've answered you when it comes to the top 5 with the highest bookings. Those of you who are just joining, make sure you double tap on the screen to like. Double tap on the screen to like this video. Double tap, double tap, double tap to like the video. I've not got any message from my fans out of Uganda. Make sure when you're commenting, you also let me know where you're watching the live from. It's very important to me. It means a lot, by the way. So the weekend is on the way coming. What are you guys up to? What plans for the weekend? To people who don't know me here, my name is Tony Areo, also known as Mr. Twa, and this one here is my YouTube channel. On this channel, I help to share content from northern Uganda, here, this place where we live, to the rest of the world. Mixola is a serious hot cake. Mixola is doing very well. He had a concert some few weeks back. It was so packed. Upong, the City Club. Pong pong mama, pedon wache. Upong, me adani. Actually, it was on the 31st of August. It was so massive. Mixola is doing very well. Mixola is doing very, very well musically. That guy is going to disturb this industry properly. Mixola bulu bidano old mama. Kapeke guakeki Mixola. Nyereni bulu bidano. Oh, Easy has a new song. Easy has a new song called Anyadwe. I forgot to tell you this. Easy has a new song called Anyadwe. If you're a big fan of Easy, make sure you go and check out that new song on his YouTube channel. It's called Anyadwe. Very, very big tune there. And Easy has a collaboration with Pastor Awio Scrap, all the way from Lira. Uchilu gospel moma, liet moma. Wa video wengdongo maho. Very soon they will be releasing it. Very, very soon the video will be out. Eddie Weezy featuring Pastor Awio on a gospel song. Yeah. So make sure you double tap on the screen to like this live. Today, I'm actually very happy because I'm interacting with very many people on my live. It's one of my happiest days on the channel because I have very, very many people on the live watching. This means a lot to me, by the way. It really means a lot. I appreciate Fort Kikanikumu, wherever you're watching from. sending love. So I'll be giving you a lot of updates on your celebrities. There's even a song which is going to be dropping this Friday from Boss Kali called Weekend. Boss Kali is going to be releasing Weekend this Friday. So make sure that you subscribe to his channel and wait for the update. As soon as the song is out, you'll get a notification. Yeah, Boss Kali is one of the finest artists that we have here, and is really doing very, very well. Boss Kali is doing very, very well in the music industry. Then Striker Tresino featuring DJ Joel Fresh. Yeah, he's also releasing a song this weekend. So make sure that you don't miss out on that release coming. Red Mazo, Rub 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 Rub, Tinining. Big up on yourself. Fire. Yeah, Tindo Tima Duong Way live, Vadan. Dano Duong Tini live meto. Morikomi. Red Mazo there, one of my biggest followers. Then Eric Lester. Yeah, you are doing the best. Thank you so much, Eric. Big up on yourself. I hope you are having a great time. Please leave a comment and let me know where you're watching from. Eric, greetings to you this beautiful evening. Wishing you the best of the best. So Eric, let me know where you're watching from so that I can send big shots to you. And to everyone else who's on the live, please make sure to double tap on the screen to like this video here. By the way, there's this female artist called Akisa. She's really doing very well in the industry. All the way from Kireka, Kampala. Big up, Eric. Yeah, sending you love and blessings. Thank you so much for being part of this live. And I wish you the best this evening. Thank you for supporting my channel. I look forward to be having you here whenever I'm live. So, I was telling you guys about this female artist called Akisa. Akisa is really doing very, very well. She released a song called Mawani, and Mawani is a very big trend. Very, very big trend. Northern Uganda and beyond. She's really doing very well in this industry. So, big up on everyone out there who is supporting our musicians. A lot has changed, and all these changes is because of the support that you give them. They are in position to package themselves well, and they are representing us to the fullest on the global stage. There's some good news from Easy Music's team, but we're just waiting for a few things to be confirmed. Yeah, I was in touch with his management and they were telling me, if not anything, Easy is most likely to do a concert at Lugogo Cricket Oval in Kampala. This is still just unconfirmed reports, but they're working on it. The moment they confirm, Kenya don't watch Mao Kampala, only rip Chingwa, the bomb do no Mao Kampala, musically. The moment it is confirmed that Easy will be performing at Lugogo Cricket Oval, that is now where we are going to penetrate Kampala properly. So I'm waiting for confirmation. If it is confirmed, You guys will be the first to know about the development. But if all goes well and easy is to have a concert at the Cricket Oval in Kampala, that will be something big for the entire northern Uganda. Entire northern Uganda. We shall make history. We shall make history. So, to Easy Music and his team, his management, I pray that you guys succeed with securing the Cricket Oval for that concert. I know Ugandans will come in large numbers to support massively, because Easy is a very big brand. Easy, the lyrical Gino, is a very, very big brand. So I want to thank everyone who has been with me on this live from the beginning up to right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will always be coming live and giving you updates on what is happening around every day. Anything new, you guys be the first to know. Yeah, so I wish you all a wonderful day. Have a wonderful time. Have a blessed evening. If you're not within Uganda, I wish you a wonderful day, wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, depending on where you're watching from. Thank you so much for always supporting Into Deep Promotions, and thank you so much for putting us where we are right now. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate all the support you show. It has come, the time has come for me to sign out. I'll catch up with you in the next live. Otherwise, that is that for now. Geoffrey Bona, collaboration and networking is key. Our artists must work with other artists, producers, and industry professionals to gain exposure and knowledge. You have said it well, my brother. So, Wamake, in my next live,